can't believe they got me.
It's not that bad. We can still make it to New Mexico.
I don't think so, baby girl. Not for this old cowboy. But you have to. You have to make it. You're the key to all of this.
No, I cannot do this on my own.
Of course you can. I taught you everything I know. Those damn mushrooms. They just came out of nowhere. If only we had known the warning signs. First it infects the body. Then it infects the brain. Then your vision. That's when you know it's all over. Go on, I'll hold them off. Make me proud, kid. Come and get me, you fungus freaks.
I think we lost some.
Don't worry, ma'am. We're with a lightning bug.
Hold on, stay back. She might be infected. Let me take a look. It's not good. What's the play? Call in the emergency vaccine airdrop and prepare to fight. It's dead. Unless we get that thing charged, we're all dead. There it is. Charging cord. Plug it in.
It's a no-go. There's no charging brick. No way. A new wallet with USB-C by ECHOGEAR? You son of a bitch. They found us.
Go out there, buy me 10 minutes. I'll buy humanity another 100 years.
Lock the door.
Got a charge. You okay?
The zombies, they talk a lot of shiitake.
Yeah. Put me through to the president of the world.
Hello?
Mr. President,
Yes, this is he.
requesting emergency authorization to use the new vaccine.
Yeah, do whatever you want. Lose this number.
Thank you, sir. We won't let you down.
Hello, little birdie. He's secure.
It's time.
Careful. Don't want to get too close.
I know. There's not much room in here.
feel?
Much better.
Much better. What fun, guys.